What expectations should people have for current artificial intelligence? What can it do for us, and what it cannot do? That is a crucial question to ask about the current state of artificial intelligence. The most realistic expectation is to view artificial intelligence as a powerful, specialized tool that augments human capabilities, rather than a general-purpose replacement for human intelligence. What can artificial intelligence currently do? Automation. Automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks like data entry, scheduling meetings, summarizing long reports, and generating basic email drafts. Information and research. Rapidly searching, synthesizing, and summarizing vast amounts of information from the internet and large data sets. Generating first drafts of code, articles, or marketing copy. Analysis and prediction. Identifying subtle patterns in data for things like fraud detection, financial forecasting, optimizing logistics like delivery routes, and assisting in medical diagnostics like analyzing X-rays. Creative persistence. Generating images, music, and text in various styles based on a prompt. It acts as a powerful co-pilot for brainstorming and content creation. Interaction. Powering virtual assistants, translation tools, and advanced chatbots that can process and respond to natural human language. What current artificial intelligence cannot do? Current artificial intelligence is limited by its lack of genuine understanding, moral reasoning, and common sense. It does not possess artificial general intelligence. Truth and accuracy. Artificial intelligence models can hallucinate or confidently generate false information, facts, or citations. Their output always requires human verification for factual accuracy, especially in high-stakes fields like law or medicine. Moral and ethical judgment. Artificial intelligence cannot make decisions that require moral reasoning, empathy, or value-based judgment. It does not understand the concept of harm, accountability, or fairness outside of its programming constraints. True creativity and insight. While it can remix and create new content based on patterns in its training data, it cannot generate truly novel ideas, original goals, or paradigm-shifting scientific breakthroughs that go beyond its programmed limits. Common sense and context. Artificial intelligence lacks the flexible common sense and intuitive understanding of the world that humans possess. It struggles with ambiguity, satire, and novel situations that fall outside its training data. Emotional intelligence. It can mimic empathetic language, but it lacks genuine emotional awareness, the ability to read subtle body language or feel empathy. This makes it unsuitable for roles requiring deep personal connection, such as therapy or sensitive negotiation. Independence. Artificial intelligence does not define its own work or goals. It is a tool that requires human direction and oversight to be effective and safe. So what expectations should we have for artificial intelligence? People should expect artificial intelligence to be an accelerant and an augmenter. Expect it to save time on routine, predictable tasks and provide a massive starting advantage in creative and research work. Do not expect it to be an authority without human review, a moral compass, or a substitute for genuine human connection and critical thinking. The most successful approach is using artificial intelligence to handle the data-heavy, routine work, thereby freeing up human experts to focus on the essential human-centric tasks: creativity, critical judgment, oversight, and ethical decision-making. What expectations do you have for artificial intelligence? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure to bookmark this channel so you can come back and keep exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence.